go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to do a makeup look using the Juvia'S palette foundation that I recently picked up from Ultra Beauty. So I have been seeing this foundation all over Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and basically everywhere. So I went to Ulta Beauty to pick up the foundation because again I've been seeing it everywhere and I wanted to try it. So I went to Ulta Beauty and I got the shade 210 in Togo. And I have not tried it yet, but when I was at Ulta Beauty, I did do like the testing there to see what color I was, because when I went to purchase the foundation, I was a little confused because the darker shades are like the lower numbers and the lighter shades are the higher numbers. So I was a little confused by the colors, but I did get Togo because I thought that it matched better with my skin. And I am on the Ulta website, and it said the color that I chose which is 210. The Togo is for deep dark skin with a cool olive undertone. So I chose this, and then I also bought a palette, a makeup palette, and this is the Zulu palette by Jubilee. I'm saying Jubilee. God, I'm so from New Orleans. Jubilee, whatever. So yeah, I picked up this palette to do a full makeup tutorial on it. Oh, excuse me. Now guys, when I went to Ulta Beauty, they didn't have the concealer, which I thought was a little ludicrous. I had to go because I was like, okay, well, where could I purchase the concealer from? And they told me none of the Ulta Beauties in my area actually carried the concealer. And I thought that was, again, ludicrous, because now I have to go online, purchase it, pay a shipping fee, and wait a week to get the concealer. So I just thought that was a little inconvenience. Like, if you guys are going to carry the product, carry the full product. So yeah, I was a little confused by that, but whatever. But yeah, you guys, so we're going to do a full makeup tutorial with the foundation and the color palette. And I didn't show you guys the color palette. So let's see, let's open this up. And as I say, you guys, I have not used any of it yet. And look at those colors. They're very, very pretty. So I can't wait to do an eye makeup look with that. So yeah, guys, we're going to get right in. I really didn't do anything but my eyebrows. So yeah, we're going to get in and we're going to do a full look. Okay guys, so my first impression of this foundation is that it is really creamy and thick. You do not need a lot of this foundation. This foundation is full coverage. You only need a little amount because as you notice that the balu is really small, but again you only need a little amount to cover up your full face. My overall thoughts of this foundation is that it's really good. Right now the color that I got, which is the Togo, the 210, it's my color now because it's summertime and my skin is a little dark, but once wintertime come, my shade might actually change. But I'm really loving the foundation because it's not heavy and it literally covered up any imperfection that I had on my face. So kudos to Juvia'S place for making this foundation, and right now I'm loving it, you guys. It is pretty good. guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button. It is free. It is free to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you support your girl and hit that subscribe button. And also you guys hit that little bell button, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.